If you suspect someone is using a fake Instagram account, then here are ways to identify them. So let's get started. First of all, look for the account and username and bio on that account. Look for suspicious or random username and blank or copied bios. Fake accounts often have the few followers. So as you can see, this account has a very few follower and there is no exact username, and if they have no post or all recent posts, they may be fake as well. Now also check for the profile picture. Simply tap on the profile icon available there. If you see any fake profile generated from Google or any other app, then it might be a fake account, or most of the fake accounts do not have any profile picture as well. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.